Create viral shorts, reels and TikTok pages using AI talent videos that people love to watch. Create viral social media channels and create viral social media pages using AI talent videos that people love to watch. Exactly as they are, or editing them in an instant of seconds. Create viral shorts videos without filming anything. From the desk of Vaibhav Patel, let's be honest for a second. Short-form content is absolutely dominating social media right now. Every single day, millions of people are scrolling endlessly through TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. And one type of content is exploding right now. AI America's Got Talent videos. These clips instantly grab attention. People stop scrolling, watch till the end, and share them like crazy. That's why pages posting these videos are getting massive views, viral engagement, thousands of followers, fast channel growth. And the craziest part, most of these pages are completely faceless. No camera, no speaking, no expensive editing. Just viral AI clips are uploaded consistently. But here's the biggest problem. Most people struggle because finding viral clips takes hours, editing content daily is exhausting, staying consistent feels impossible, creating engaging videos is difficult, hiring editors costs too much money. And because of this, most people never even start. They keep overthinking, while others are going viral every single day. But here's the good news. You don't have to struggle anymore. Today, I'm giving you a simple, powerful shortcut to get started instantly. Introducing AI America's Got Talent Reels Bundle. Your complete done-for-you viral content shortcut. Inside this bundle, you'll get 800 plus AI America's Got Talent viral reels, ready to upload instantly on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels. No editing required. No searching for content. No complicated setup. Just download, upload, and grow. Hey there, it's Vaibhav Patel here. I'm an online marketing expert, looking to help marketers and online businesses increase results and success. Here's what you can achieve with consistent posting. Some of the biggest viral channels you see today are growing insanely fast by posting just 1-2 short videos per day. No complicated strategy. No heavy work. And now here's the exciting part. You get a massive competitive advantage. Why? Because while others are searching for content, editing for hours, struggling to stay consistent, you already have 800 plus AI America's Got Talent Reels bundle videos in your hands. No manual work. No stress. No wasted time. Just pick, upload, and move on. It takes less than 5 minutes a day to stay consistent. And consistency is exactly what builds content growth. Work smarter, not harder, and grow your content presence more efficiently. Here's what's inside this package. Here's everything you'll get today. 800 plus AI America's Got Talent viral reels. Ready-to-use short videos optimized for social media growth. Estimated value, $197. Commercial use included. Use the videos for your own social pages, client pages, content creation, theme pages. Estimated value, $97. High engagement viral content. Designed to maximize watch time, shares, followers, engagement. Estimated value, $97. Bonus included, limited time. Quick video editing tutorial guide, learn how to customize videos in just a few clicks. Add your logo, personalize content, make videos unique in minutes. Optional, but powerful for branding and growth. Value, $47. Total value, $294, yours today for a fraction of the price. Frequently asked questions, FAQ. Yes. No experience or editing skills are required. Disclaimer: this product is intended for content creation and social media use only. Results will vary depending on consistency, usage, audience, and platform algorithms. No income or earnings guarantees are made. AI disclosure. This product includes AI-generated visual content created using artificial intelligence tools and manually formatted for social media usage. Support. If you need help, you can contact digitalvybavrevu@gmail.com. Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus helps facilitate the sale, all payments are made directly to the product vendor and not Warrior Plus. Thus, all product questions, support inquiries and / or refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role should not be construed as an endorsement, approval or review of these products or any claim, statement or opinion used in the marketing of these products. Copyright symbol 2026 digitalvybavrevu.com. All rights reserved. Privacy policy disclosure FTC disclaimer terms and conditions.